Welcome to 109 Silver Crest Drive. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, all brick home with a side entry 2-car garage, fenced backyard with huge deck, and a bonus room. Sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Silver Lake neighborhood in Wildewood in Northeast Columbia. Convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, Sesqui Park, and just a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're in the front yard now. You can see the house sort of sits on a in a regular lot, but it's a nice sized lot. It's a large front yard, lots of natural trees, and you can see the front of the house there. So there's a sidewalk leading up to the front door, but you would most likely access from the right side here, or excuse me, the left side of the house from the driveway that enters from the cul-de-sac itself. But you can see the 2-car garage there, and then a little bit of the backyard. But we'll walk back around front and go in through the front door and take a look inside. See about 5 or 6 steps up to the front entry. And then once you enter, you notice beautiful hardwood flooring throughout the downstairs level of the home. And almost everything in the home has been updated, including lighting fixtures, bathrooms, kitchens. You can see nice crown molding here in the foyer as well. So off of the foyer on your right side here, you have a formal living room. Good bit of natural light. And it wraps around here to the living room in the home, or your family room. You have a wood-burning fireplace with a nice mantle, door that lets you out to the backyard. Ceiling fan in this room as well, and nice high ceilings. You also have a half bathroom. And then there's also a wet bar here as well. So you have a small sink and a wine cooling fridge there, or for beverages. Also some cabinet space underneath. And then we'll take a quick look out back. For the back of the home, you can see huge deck sort of in 2 levels. You have one side here, and then it steps down a bit there. The light's a bit bright out here. I do apologize for that. But you do have a fenced backyard, as you can see. Pretty decent size. And then back inside, there's a coat closet here between the family room and the kitchen. Kitchen has granite countertops, wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. There's an above the range microwave, smooth top electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher on this side as well. You also do have bar seating here along the edge of the counter. And then a nice eat-in dining area or breakfast nook in the kitchen. Beautiful picture window. It's flanked by 2 smaller windows on the side, but sort of an alcove. Great place to put a table or a bench there. And then on this side, you have access to your garage. So 2-car garage. Down a couple steps there, and you do have some built-in storage in here as well. Some shelving. And then on this side, this door leads you up to the bonus room above the garage. It's a great additional living space up here. You have lots of built-ins. In addition to the high ceilings, there's some built-in drawers on that side, and then built-in shelving and cabinets along the back, and then some more storage. There, you do have a ceiling fan in here also, and then even a built-in desk. So, could work for an office, or a nice study area, or just a playroom, or any other purpose you'd need it for. But it does have a door that closes it off entirely from the bottom level. So then we'll go on through the kitchen to the formal dining room. You can see updated light fixture, crown molding in here as well, and 2 windows looking out front. And now we're back in the foyer, so we'll go up to the 2nd level. And then here off the landing, you have your laundry room full-size washer and dryer connections, and there's a shelf above as well. Then you have 2 bedrooms up here that share a bathroom, share a Jack and Jill bath. This one has a walk-in closet of its own, ceiling fan in both of those, tile flooring in the bathrooms, and nice solid surface countertop on the vanity. So you do have a linen closet here also. And then the commode and bathtub in the room are separate, giving you a bit more privacy since it is a Jack and Jill. You can have a bit more flexibility in how you use that. But just a standard tub and shower with nice tile. And then here's the second bedroom that it connects to. This one faces the front of the house. The other one's on the back side. You have a closet there with a light inside. And right across the hall, you have your master suite. Ceiling fan in here also. And there was no ceiling fan in that second bedroom on the other side. And then you have 2 closets. One is a nice size walk-in here on the left. Then you have some additional closet space on this side as well. And then a beautiful bathroom, again with the tile flooring. You have not 1 but 2 separate vanities with 2 sinks in each. So one on this side and then one on the opposite side here as well. Then you have a commode there and an alcove and a jetted garden tub. And the beautiful window design from downstairs with a picture window flanked by 2 smaller ones. And then you also do have a shower stall, tile shower in there. So a beautiful bathroom to accompany the spacious master. And then last but not least, I apologize for the length of this video, it's just sort of a large house with a different layout. But last but not least, you have a completely separate attic level up here that has tons and tons of full plywood down for a lot of awesome storage, high ceilings in here as well. So you'll be able to store any items that you have. And that has a door that closes it off from the hallway as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 109 Silver Crest Drive in Wildewood in Northeast Columbia. Beautiful home that you can find more information on our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a call at 803-407-8522.